Only 22% of email opens happen on mobile devices. The other 78% happen in browsers. That means that there's still a huge opportunity for you to reach your customers through email marketing, if you know how to do it properly. Welcome to Digital Marketing Central, where we bring you the latest ideas, insights, and strategies in digital marketing. Today's video is about email marketing. Now, before we get into it, make sure you subscribe to our channel and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Email marketing has been around since the beginning of the internet, but many marketers are still wondering if it's worth the effort. With so many new marketing tools to choose from, it can be hard to know what will work best for your business. But here's the good news. Email marketing is alive and well in 2023. In this video, we'll look at why you should be using email as part of your overall strategy and how you can take advantage of this powerful tool for your business today. Email marketing is not dead. Email marketing is still relevant. In fact, it's more than relevant. It's essential. Email is the most effective way to reach customers and drive sales for businesses of all sizes. In fact, email marketing has been shown to be nearly twice as effective as social media when it comes to driving sales and leads for businesses. If you're not already doing email marketing, now is the time to start. The good news is that you don't need to be a digital marketing expert to get started with email marketing. In fact, all you really need is an understanding of the basics of how email works and what makes it so effective. If you're ready to learn more about the science behind email marketing and how to use it effectively in your business, keep watching. Only 22% of email opens happen on mobile devices. Email marketing is still alive and well. In fact, it's more effective than ever before. The reason for this is simple. People are spending most of their time online on their laptops and desktop computers, not on mobile devices. In fact, only 22% of email opens happen on mobile devices. The other 78% happen in browser. That means that there is still a huge opportunity for you to reach your customers through email marketing if you know how to do it properly. Optimize your subject lines for better open rates. The subject line is the first thing your audience sees, so it's important that you get it right. A good subject line will make people more likely to open your emails and click through to your website or landing page. Here are some tips for writing effective subject lines. Use a question in the subject line. People are more likely to open emails with a question in them than those without source. The key here is not just any question. It should be relevant to your target audience and not too specific or general. For example, are you ready for X? Where X represents something relevant for your particular industry, business model, etc., but which isn't too narrow or broad, like the top 10 marketing trends of 2018 versus how to make money with email marketing. And if at all possible, try using an action word like learn instead of a noun such as blog post. This will make sure your readers know exactly what they're getting before opening the email itself. Focus on the quality of your list, not quantity. The quality of your list is more important than the quantity. To build a good list, you need to have an opt-in process that is clear and easy for your subscribers to follow. You can also use tools like Lead Pages or MailChimp to help with this process. Once you have a large enough list, and keep it clean, then it's time to start sending relevant emails that people want to receive. Be sure to not only send useful information, but also measure how effective these emails were based on their open rate and click-through rates, or CTR. Personalize your emails to see higher engagement and conversion rates. Personalization is the key to success for email marketing campaigns. If you want your emails to be opened, clicked on, and read in full, and shared with others, then you need to personalize them. Personalized emails lead to increased brand loyalty and more time spent on your site, which can lead directly into increased purchase likelihood. Email personalization is also one of the most effective ways of increasing ROI from your email marketing efforts because it allows you to target specific audiences with content that will resonate with them more than generic messages would. Send emails in real time when people are most engaged with your brand. Email marketing is a powerful tool for marketers to communicate with their audience. It can be used in many different ways, including sending out emails during peak times, specific days of the week, month, and year, sending out emails during non-peak times, weekdays after 9 a.m., sending special offers at certain times of the year, such as Christmas or Valentine's Day, sending messages when people need help from you, such as "we're hiring." There's no such thing as an inactive subscriber. There are only non-responders. Email marketing is a long-term strategy. It can take months, even years, to see results from your email campaigns. Don't be discouraged if not everyone responds to your emails right away. There's no such thing as an inactive subscriber. There are only non-responders. If someone hasn't opened or clicked on any of your emails in 6 months or so, then it's time to consider removing them from the list and targeting new subscribers who would be more likely interested in what you have to offer. Or even better yet, make sure that the people who do respond are getting something valuable out of their interactions with you. Email marketing works best when focused on building relationships over time, rather than trying to force people into buying something immediately from one single email blast. Use personalized content in every email campaign you send out. The subject line is an important part of any email campaign. It should be personalized and relevant to the reader so that it catches their attention enough for them to open it. For example, "Hello, John. We have something special for you." You can also use first names in other places within your campaigns, such as in the body text or CTA button, the button that asks people to take action. If someone has given their name when signing up for your list, then there's no reason not to use it. Personalized content is a key ingredient for an effective email campaign strategy. Personalized content is a key ingredient for an active email marketing strategy. Personalization allows you to deliver a more relevant experience for your subscribers, which can lead to increased engagement and ultimately result in more conversions or sales. According to HubSpot, personalized emails have higher open rates than non-personalized ones, and they also increase click-through rates by as much as 30%. This means that when you're sending out an email campaign using personalized messages that are tailored specifically towards each individual recipient, like their name, then there's a higher chance of them opening up the message and reading what it says inside. Email marketing is still worth doing. Email marketing is one of the best ways to reach your audience, and it can be used to grow your business. You can use email for things like getting people excited about a new product or service you're offering, updating them on what's going on with your company, like if you're changing locations, sending special offers as incentives for customers who have been loyal over time, sending announcements about new products or services you're offering, or sending people links to content that will help them learn more about what you do, like a blog post. If you're just getting started with email marketing, here are some tips for getting started. Ask yourself who your ideal customer is and what their interests are. This can help you decide which types of emails to send. Conclusion: email marketing is still a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes. It's important to remember that email is not dead and won't be dying anytime soon. If anything, Email will continue to grow in popularity as more people switch over from traditional text messages and phone calls to digital communication platforms like WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Let us know your thoughts in the comments and what else you want to see from us in the future. And remember, it doesn't matter where you are in your marketing journey, you can always learn more.